This is Paul. Paul is a hospital director. He is sad because his hospital logistics are not running smoothly. The exchange of beds occupies unnecessary space and causes long walking distances. The storage of medicines is time-consuming, hardly manageable, and accessible to everyone. The provision of sterile instruments is prone to errors and often leads to delays. Paul's hospital logistics could be much more efficient. It's frustrating for the director and his staff. This is Peter from Kardex Remstar. He quickly analyzes the situation and together they install Smart Hospital Logistics solutions. Paul and his staff now have more time to focus on the care of their patients. This is Fred. Fred doesn't feel good at all. He suffers from back pain. Thanks to optimized processes, Fred now experiences a quicker response to his pain and receives quicker care. Bed space has been optimized with no congested aisles. A Kardex shuttle stores all the beds and with its large access opening delivers fresh beds on demand. And Fred feels comfortable, but he is still in pain. Another Kardex shuttle with access openings on several floors delivers medical supplies faster and only to authorized personnel. And Fred can be taken care of quickly. For all surgeries, a Kardex Megamat provides the necessary instruments at the touch of a button. Fast, sterile, and fully automatic. Paul, the director, is excited. The multi-level solutions from Kardex Remstar allow faster access to daily hospital stock and reduce staff walking distances as well as much-needed storage space. This gives more time for efficient patient care. And quickly, Fred feels better. Everyone is happy. And Peter is happy too.